I freeze leftovers every Sunday. I am freezing right now without my coat. I have just frozen a batch of soup. I have been freezing berries all summer. I froze a big batch of stew last winter. I was freezing outside when the bus finally came. I had frozen the meat before the power went out. I had been freezing at the bus stop for 20 minutes before it arrived. I will freeze these vegetables for the winter. I will be freezing on the ski lift at dawn tomorrow. I will have frozen a month's worth of meals by Sunday. By January, I will have been freezing in this old flat for a year.